CVNA Stock, Kavanagh Corp, it lost 42.92% in the regular session of the 7th of December 2022 and closed at $3.83. The price reached a new 52-week low of $3.55. This is beneath the previous low of $6.5 by 45.38%, and it is 98.71% below the 52-week high of $204.35. A couple of news items concerning Kavanagh. It says here that Morgan Stanley has now disclosed, this is after the market closed, that it has more than 5% of the stocks float. It owns more than 5% of it. So what's going on there, with this disclosure? And amid all of that, we also seen that Kavanagh shares have been plummeted over 40% on Wedbush downgrade bankruptcy risks after company hires advisors. So that's the rumor there, or speculation there. Kavanagh talking to lawyers, bankers about debt restructuring. Okay, so amid all of these things, you will probably suspect that something is going wrong, or rather maybe bankruptcy and all that stuff. But Morgan Stanley has taken up to at least more than 5% of the stocks float. Maybe they're taking advantage of what's going on, the implosion that's going on right now with the stock. So, but in any case, what we can actually see that given this 52-week low that it printed, that the buyers have come in and they bought the dip, and it has bounced up at some point, reached $4.08, $4.07, now cooling off at 4.02 as we speak right now. So it is off that 52-week low in this post-market session. And for some reason, okay, there are downward projections. We have this downward projection of 3.77. In the previous video we had a downward projection of 1.13. so the current downward projection is 3.77. It is actually lower than the 52-week low. So if it gets to this 3.77, that will be a new 52-week low. Okay, and let's see now. Outside that, there isn't any further downward projection, or based on the Fibonacci tool we have selected on this trading view chart. There isn't any other downward projection apart from this 3.77. so let's have a look at the 1 day chart and see whether there is no downward projection as well here on the no projection lower than that, where it is right now, or rather where it closed at $3.7. there is no downward projection any further than that. Okay, well, 3.7 is lower than where it closed. Okay, but there's still not really a downward projection, so that maybe are not actually pinning down the actual price. So, but there are upward projections. We have the closest one is closest upward projection is actually quite a high one. It's $16.3. Is that, am I getting this right? $16.3 on this daily chart. $16.3 all the way up towards 69.51. This is a company that is facing liquidity issues. So well, if you look at what's going on as well, for short interest of 48.23%, it has increased by 10%. So if you're talking about bankruptcy and also talking about short interests, maybe there's a good chance that can happen. There's a good chance this short squeeze might happen. Going by what we've seen in the past before, market participants will be circling the stock. They know that short interest is going to continue to increase. Short sellers will continue to feast on the stock, and it will be an opportunity to force them out and make some money, squeeze them out and make some money. So given all of that, I think we have an upper projection of about $7 or thereabout, but $16 is really an ambitious one. Even $7 is quite an ambitious one. So yes, short interest increased by 10%, currently at 48.23. So if you mix that up with the rumors of bankruptcy, man, then there's a good chance that we might see a short squeeze, or short covering rally, you know, you know, yeah, any of those, any day, there's short squeeze, yes, short covering rally, that they can actually take it up to maybe the $7 levels or thereabout, So let's get this again at $16. That's a quite an ambitious price. Okay, no, that's sorry. The upper projection is $7.2. Yes, that's $7.2. I know what I know. I did see this sort of level 7.2. It's possible it can get there if any squeeze occurs. So mixture of bankruptcy rumors and speculations and short interest. Yes, something can happen. Something can come out of it. And I said, as I pointed out earlier on, there isn't any downward projections here. But even regardless of that, the stock is still very much bearish still very much in a bearish trend, and may continue to retrace. Even though with all of these news concerning Morgan Stanley picking up to 5%, or rather increasing their stake to 5% and more. So, but in any case, once again, our upper projection $7.2, downward projection 3.77 and 1.13. See what you make of CVNA stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.